going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium. Today we're going to do another foil pack meal. This is going to be sirloin steak with some garlic, butter, with mushrooms and potatoes. And a steak of choice I'm using today is going to be a top sirloin steak. And if you notice this right here, this piece of meat right here, this is the picanha. Let's get started. I want to show you guys it's really quick and easy way. And I'm not going to be doing this on the Weber kettle today. This is going to be on my Camp Chef FTG600 flat top griddle. But the cool thing about it is you can take the flat top off and underneath you have a propane grill. That's what I like about, and that's why I love having a Camp Chef. So anyhow, let's get started. So I have here some white mushrooms right here. I'm just going to cut these in half. Also going to do that with the potatoes, and I'm going to cook these up first so those can get cooked a little bit quicker. The steak, just going to go ahead and let these get nice and salted. Salt this up. Going to cut this up into chunks, but I'm going to go ahead and just get it salted and let it sit over to the side. Here we go. Put that over. There we go. I'm going to set this over to the side. All right. Gonna go ahead and slice these up. Do them in fours, the bigger ones, do them in fours. All right, there we go. All right, got my foil pan here. Put half of these in one foil pan. There we go. Got half in the other. Do some olive oil in here. A little bit of onion powder, some salt, some pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and add some garlic to it. I got some garlic here. Get this garlic sliced up. I'm gonna go ahead and get these, the two middle ones on high. And you know I'm gonna use the Weber kettle lid. I mean, come on now. There we go. See, just like that. Actually, I'm gonna turn all four of these on. All right, there you go. We're gonna keep that on there for about 10 minutes. Let those potatoes get nice and hot. All right, so while waiting on potatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and get the mushrooms prepped up. All I'm doing here is just gonna cut these in half. All right, there we go. Put these in here. All right, the potatoes are almost done. It's time to cut up the steak. There's that picanha right there. Gotta keep the fat on there. There we go. Now it comes to these chunks. The bigger the chunks, the longer it's going to take to cook, and you have a better chance of it being like rare, medium rare. And I like mine, you know, I like red in my meat. I really want it well done. But however, even if you do overcook it and it is well done, it should still be really good. So there we go. That's prepped up. Let's get the sauce prepped up now. Here we go. 1.5 sticks of butter. Gonna do probably a teaspoon of some basil, teaspoon of parsley, some thyme, teaspoon of some thyme, onion powder, and salt and pepper. And I went ahead, just so you know, I lowered the temp a little bit because I think those are getting a little bit too hot. So I lowered the temp right here of all these to like a little medium high. Potatoes looking good. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these potatoes off. I think those are done enough. Those look good. I just took that butter off. That's what it looks like. Gonna pour this over the steak and potatoes and everything else. Got the mushrooms in here. Have the steak in here. There we go. Have the steak. Go ahead and put the rest of the mushrooms in here. Steak. All right, make sure it's nice and tight around the edge. All right, time to get these on the grill. All right, we're gonna do this here for 10 minutes. All right, so we are 5 minutes into this cook. It's time to stir it up. Time to get these. All right, I'll check back here in 5 minutes and see if they're done. All right, also it has been a total of 10 minutes. Let's see what they look like right now. What we got right there. Looking pretty good. Right on. Liking what I see. I'm gonna give this just about 2 more minutes and they'll be done. All right, y'all, let's give this a try. I have here a piece of that picanha. Yeah, still red inside. Still like a medium. Melts in the mouth. Wow. A mushroom. I love mushrooms. Mushrooms to me are the meat or the bacon of the vegetable world. I love mushrooms. And here's that potato. That is a great little meal. Anyhow, I'll see y'all next week. Like, subscribe,